Hey there, fellow viewers! Welcome back to Review Rundown, your go-to channel for all things reviews. I'm thrilled to have you join me as we take a look at the best ways to use Midjourney AI to generate your images the right way. In this video, we will go over 5 different ways of using Midjourney prompts to help express your creativity. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is an AI that creates images based on the prompts a user enters. It has become one of the most popular tools for creating AI art. We've seen it all over our feeds, but how do we properly use it to generate creative images? The first technique we will use is called Exploded by Nikos. Nikos is an illustrator and urban artist known for visually striking cross-section and X-ray images, often with gory details. Using the word exploded adds a sense of motion. Let's hop into our Midjourney Discord server and test it out. To begin, start by typing /imagine. You will see the prompt pop up above your text. Hit enter and it will add the prompt portion. Now, type exploded and after enter any subject you'd like followed by Nikos. Hit enter and Midjourney will begin to generate 4 different images. This technique makes the subject you've entered look like they are exploding. Our second technique we will use is called Subject as Subject. This prompt asks Midjourney to imagine how things or characters would look like if they were something else. Let's give it a shot. Back in our Midjourney Discord server, let's go ahead and enter /imagine once more, then hit enter to have your prompt appear. Now let's enter Thanos as a businessman and see what Midjourney generates. Keep in mind it can take some time to generate your images as a lot of people use Midjourney, so just be patient if it's taking its sweet time to generate. Subject as Subject is a very simple technique that can improve the look of your generated images without having to enter long prompts. Try it out and see the difference it makes. This next technique is more used for creating logos. This prompt generates a flat square icon based on your subject. You can use it for your website app, or just have fun transforming random stuff into slick icons. Let's hop back to our server and try it out. To start off, we will once again type /imagine and hit enter to have our prompt pop up. Now that we have it up, we will type whatever our subject is, then type symmetrical, flat icon design after our subject. Hit enter and watch it generate. For our fourth technique, we will be using a technique called isometric. Isometric art is all about making 2D illustrations appear like 3D objects. You've undoubtedly seen the instantly recognizable 3D look in many city builders and other computer games. Midjourney lets you turn any scene or object into one of those. In the Midjourney Discord, start by entering isometric followed by your subject or scene, but remember, before anything you have to type /imagine and hit enter for the prompt to pop up. Once it does, continue with entering isometric followed by your subject or scene. Moving on to our last technique. Blacklight. Popularized by countless crime scene investigation movies, Blacklight emits ultraviolet radiation that makes certain things glow while keeping the rest in the dark. The result is a cool rave party glow stick effect. Let's give it a shot in the Midjourney Discord. We'll begin by typing /imagine and let our prompt appear after we've hit enter. Now that it's up, type Blacklight followed by your subject or scene and hit enter to generate the Blacklight technique. We've gone over 5 different ways to enhance your prompts to generate creative images in Midjourney. Remember, Midjourney is image-based. If you wanted a text-based logo, it will not work as it has a hard time figuring out letters. If you would like to see more ways you can use Midjourney, please let us know in the comment sections below and hit that subscribe button. Good luck with all your Midjourney prompts. We hope this helped.